What if death wasn't the end? Imagine a world where you could live past 100, watch your great-grandchildren grow up, and still feel young and strong. Scientists are racing to unlock the secrets of aging, and today we're exploring how close we really are to immortality. The dream of immortality. Let's start with the idea itself. Immortality means living forever. Sounds impossible, right? Mathematically, forever is infinite. You can't get closer to infinity than you are right now. But forget the math for a second. Science isn't promising forever, at least not yet. It's promising longer, healthier lives. Right now, the average human life expectancy is about 72 years. In richer countries, it's higher. In poorer nations, it's much lower because of healthcare, diet, and living conditions. A few hundred years ago, though, people only lived to about 30 on average. That's right, just 30. Thanks to medicine, sanitation, and technology, we've already doubled that number. So the question becomes, how far can we push it? The basics still matter. Before we jump into futuristic science, let's look at what we already know. Experts agree that simple lifestyle habits add years to your life. Don't smoke, don't drink too much, eat well, exercise, and surround yourself with friends and clean air. These things sound boring, but they really do work. But let's be honest, you probably clicked this video not for eat your vegetables advice, but to hear about real, groundbreaking science. So let's dig into that. The science of aging. Scientists now think aging might be the biggest disease of all. Heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer all become more common as we get older. Some animals even seem to slow aging. Certain whales live for hundreds of years, and some get healthier with age. The problem is our cells. Over time, they lose the ability to repair themselves. This is called senescence. To slow aging, we need to find a way to stop or reverse it. Molecules of youth. One breakthrough came from a molecule called resveratrol, found in foods like grapes, peanuts, and even red wine. Experiments showed that it helped worms, yeast, and mice live longer and healthier lives. That was the first big sign that a single molecule could change the way we age. But scientists didn't stop there. Today, one of the most promising molecules is something called NAD, short for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Don't worry about the name, just think of it as a helper chemical that tells your body to stay strong and repair itself. Without NAD, you wouldn't survive for more than 10 seconds. As we get older, our NAD levels drop. Scientists discovered that giving mice a compound called NMN, which the body uses to make NAD, boosted their NAD levels by 50%. Suddenly, old mice could run farther, resist radiation, and act young again. Imagine if that could work in humans. A pill to keep your cells youthful. That's the dream. Other futuristic fixes. Molecules aren't the only way to fight aging. Scientists are also exploring tissue regeneration, gene editing, and nanotechnology, tiny robots that could repair bones or fight germs inside your body. It sounds like science fiction, but early tests are already showing promise. Medical research is also lowering death rates from heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Combine this with anti-aging breakthroughs, and humans could live far beyond 100 years. Life in a world without death. But let's pause for a second. What would society look like if people lived to be 200 years old or longer? You could have multiple careers and watch your great-great-grandchildren grow up. Life would feel completely different. Of course, longer lives bring challenges. More people could mean overcrowding, fewer jobs, and higher demand for resources. But staying healthy longer could also save trillions in healthcare, with older people staying active and contributing to society. How close are we? So, how close are we to immortality? Life expectancy is increasing by about 3 months every year. That adds up over time. Kids born today in wealthy countries could live past 100, and their grandchildren even further. By the end of this century, age-reversing treatments might be common. We might not be fully immortal, but staying young much longer could be possible. More years could give us extra time to chase dreams, learn new skills, and spend time with loved ones. Aging might become optional. Would you want to live that long, or would it feel like too much? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing science, maybe even forever.